Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use this lookup unit tool I made. So the whole idea behind this tool is it helps you find the pre-existing units in a project so you don't create duplicate ones with the same mullion borders. And what I mean by that is if you look at the screen wall family that we use for a unit, it has these parameters here for the verticals and horizontals that define which mullions are in those positions. And oftentimes it's really easy to recreate uh, multiple types that have these same borders, because to see this data you have to like open up the type and then look at what the borders are, or look up another one, and when you have like 50 of those it becomes pretty hard to actually view them all. But this tool should alleviate that problem. So to use it, just hit lookup unit, click the unit you want, and it will tell you the type of that unit you selected with all the borders. And if you click one of the combo boxes, you can change it. So I believe this is the unit on over here is a 10. If you change the left profile to what this one is, it'll give you a 10 here. And let's just do this guy here. Say that you wanted to change this left profile to an O2. It'll give you a none. So what that tells you is that there's no profiles, or there's no units in the project that have this profile yet. So you can create a new type now. So let's just say test type 1, and it will create you a test type 1. And if you go here to the unit lookup tool, and you go back to 01, it remembered that this profile is corresponds to a 10.